Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to set the optimal refrigerator temperature. The refrigerator is one of the most important appliances in your home. It keeps your food fresh and your drinks cold, but there are a few things you need to do to make sure it's set to the best possible temperature. While the FDA recommends a refrigerator temperature setting of no higher than 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the optimal temperature is actually as close to freezing as possible without actually freezing your food. This can be anywhere from 33 to 39 degrees, with between 35 and 37 degrees being ideal. The freezer section should be set at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Food that's frozen at or below 0 will maintain its freshness and nutrients longer. Older refrigerators tend to have manual temperature settings with dials numbered 1 through 5, where you don't actually know what temperature you're setting. Even with a more modern fridge that has digital readings, it's important to know exactly what the temperature is to make sure it's in the proper range. Set a refrigerator thermometer in the middle of the fresh food section and close the door. Wait a while and allow the thermometer to read the temperature. Then check it and adjust the fridge setting until it reads the temperature you want it set to. Do the same thing for the freezer section, making sure it reads 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Leave the thermometers inside as a convenient way to make sure the fridge and freezer stay at those temperatures. Remember to take your time. When you make any changes, it can take up to 24 hours to get the whole unit to the new temperature. Keeping the temperature set properly helps to slow bacterial growth that can spoil your food and even make you sick. That in turn saves you money because your food stays fresher longer. The cold air is created in the freezer section and circulated from there into the fresh food section. So when you stock either section, you want to make sure to use all the available space without overfilling it or blocking any air vents. That way the items themselves will help hold the temperature, but still allow the cold air to circulate properly. To help the refrigerator stay at a consistent temperature, avoid opening the doors too often. Also check and make sure the door gaskets are intact and not damaged. Wait for hot food to cool off for several minutes before putting it in the fridge. Many newer fridges have separate compartments that can be set to different temperatures depending upon what you put in them. Make sure to take advantage of that to keep your different items fresh for as long as possible. It only takes a small amount of time, but has a massive impact on your enjoyment of the kitchen. As always, if you have any more questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.